Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a little bit of my monthly self-care and maintenance, so if you're interested, keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so first I'm getting my lashes done. This is my favorite self-maintenance to do because it just makes me feel so pretty. And I love my lash tech. She's located in Houston and her name is Jan. I will have her info linked in the description box below. If you're in Houston, definitely check her out. She makes you feel so comfortable and she's really professional and she's really good at what she does. So I always get a volume set and I ask for wispy cat eye with light volume on the ends. I'm not sure of the specific lengths, but I think the longest length I get is 18. It's wispy, so there are different lengths all throughout, but these are the results, and when I'm consistent I do get them every 2 weeks and they always look so beautiful. So she's really a pro at what she does. So again, her info will be linked in the description. After my lashes, I did run to Starbucks to get my favorite coffee. I wanted to make this kind of like vlog style a little bit, so I added a couple extra things I did during these days. And this is my go-to Starbucks order. I always get an iced white chocolate mocha with oat milk and I add sweet cream foam and caramel drizzle. It's so good, but it does have a lot of sugar, but I think it's worth it if you don't get it all the time. And next, this is kind of random, but I did need a car wash, y'all. I got a new car and I love it so much, so this is kind of considered maintenance because I'm trying to keep it looking nice and new for as long as I can. So I just went through the car wash really quick and I vacuumed the seats and the floors on the inside. It wasn't that dirty. It is a new car, so it only took me a minute, but I did feel a lot better after washing my car. So it's not really like self maintenance, but it is something that I want to keep consistent with doing and just like, you know, keep my things clean and nice. Next up is my hair. I did want to make a hair appointment, but she wasn't available and I'm used to doing my own hair, so I just did this that night. I just posted the full video a couple days ago of how I do a blowout look, so you guys can check that out if you want the full details. But I just curled my hair and put rollers in and kept them in overnight, and the next day I took them out and this is how it looked. I've been doing my hair like this a lot lately and the curls stay in for days, and I love how much body and volume it gives my hair instead of it just being flat and straight. So now I'm on the way to pick up my sister and go get my nails done, and I saw some cute dogs in the back of the car. But for my nails I always get some type of French, but this time I wanted to keep it really simple, which I do often. So I just got a basic like short medium French tip, and I will also have my nail tech's info in the description below. His name is Ethan and he's also really good at what he does. He's really talented at designs, although I don't get anything extreme. The times when I want a little bit extra, he does everything to perfection and he's really nice. And I don't really look around for new techs. Everyone I go to, I'm loyal to, because I feel like I have the worst luck with trying new people. And like I said, I also wanted to get my hair done for this video, but since she wasn't available and I don't like to go to anybody else, I don't trust anyone else, I just did my hair for myself. But like I said, everyone that I go to, I stand by them and I'll probably be going to them for years to come. So yeah, that's basically my nails, really basic. I did warm pink for the acrylic and then he's just polishing on the French tip with gel polish, and this is how they look, really classy and simple. They turned out really nice. So after my nails, me and my sister had a mini sister date, so we went to get some food. We went to the burger joint. I think this is my second time here and it was pretty good. I just got a classic burger with pepper jack cheese, and our next stop was a plant store down the street. My sister's a plant lady and I saw another dog. Look how big this dog was, y'all. So anyways, it was so pretty in here. This is me asking her to record me and me being awkward, and she bought 2 plants and she was really happy. And next I did some shopping for self-care, so I got my Target pickup, and then next up I went to the L'Occitane store. The lady literally yelled at me that I couldn't film, which is annoying, but I just picked up some of my favorites, the shower oil, body scrub, and I got the almond hand cream. So I also went to Ulta and Target and I got a couple things a few days later. So this is what I got. I got some stuff for my waxes, and I got the Naturium salicylic acid body wash that everyone has been talking about. So last but not least, I did a same day order for Sephora, my favorite. This was a couple weeks after, but I wanted to include it in here because the Sephora sale is happening right now. You have a couple days left, so I found some new products from TikTok that I wanted to try, and Sephora did supply them and send them over. So thank you so much, Sephora. And if you don't know, you can get from 10 to 20% off everything right now, depending on what type of member you are. So I thought I'd just show you guys a little self-care haul and montage to try out some of the new products that I got and show you guys some products that I can't live without. So everything will be linked in the description box. All of these are new to me except for the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I faithfully use that, and I also have been using the Way body wash in the St. Bart scent. This is my obsession right now. It smells so good. It smells just like the St. Bart's body scrub. And if you guys want to see a cute little review video of me using this product, it is on the Sephora website, so you can just click the link for this product in my description, and I'm on the website, so that's really exciting. But I went in with the Way body wash first, and now I'm using the Sol de Janeiro AHA and BHA body wash. I use this on the places of my body that have scarring and are just generally darker than the rest of my body, like my chest, elbow, knees, and my back. So this product, I didn't love the scent. I thought it would smell better because people rave about these products, and I never tried them, but I really didn't like the way this smells. But I'm still going to use it and see if it lightens up any of my scarring. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Occitane Delicious Paste body scrub. All of their like almond scented body products are my favorite. I love the way they smell, and I like this product too. It exfoliated really nice. It's a really thick, creamy type of exfoliant, and so I just exfoliated my whole body, and then I went in and shaved my legs. I used the EOS Sensitive Skin shaving cream, and now I'm using the L'Occitane shower oil. I've been using this product for a really long time. It's one of my favorite products ever. It feels really good on my skin, and it's like a milky, creamy consistency. It can also be used as a body wash, but I just use it as a in shower conditioner. So immediately after my shower, I went in with the Topicals Lather Exfoliating Body Serum with retinol and AHAs, and I put that all over my body. And then I used the Way body cream in the St. Bart scent. It smells amazing, and it's one of their new products, so I will have everything linked in the description. But I put that all over, and I was smelling really good. My skin was extremely soft. And then after, I used the bio oil and just put that on like the darker areas of my body, so my knees, legs, elbows, and then some of my acne scars on my chest. And for fragrance today, I'm using the Nest Balinese Coconut Perfume Oil. This smells so amazing. I've never heard about this, but I think I saw it. I don't know if I saw it on TikTok, but it smells so good. And then I went in with my favorite perfume ever, which is the Kilian Angel Share. Y'all have to smell it for yourself. It's like a very luxurious apple pie, cinnamon. I don't know. It smells so good. But next, I'm moving into skincare. So I just washed my face with To The People Superfood Cleanser. Shout out to you guys for sending that over to me. And then I followed that up with the Tower 28 toner. I love that product. I love that it's a spray-on toner. And then I used the Naturium Azelaic Acid Serum. And now I'm using the Youth to the People Oasis Serum. This is like a hydrating serum. It has hyaluronic acid, and it makes my skin feel really moisturized. Now I'm using the Topicals Faded Serum. I'm putting this on the dark parts of my face, and I've heard a lot of good things about this product. I can say that I love the consistency. And then I went in with my Fresh Tea Elixir Niacinamide and Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Aging Serum. I feel like I used a lot of products that had the same purpose, but I just love all of these products so much. And then I use my CeraVe Under Eye Cream. And next, I'm grabbing my Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. I've been using that for a while. I love it. And then I'm using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist to give my face some more glow. And now I'm using the Briogeo Don't Despair hair oil. And I saw this also on TikTok, so I'm just lightly applying this to my hair. And then I went in with some dry shampoo, and I'm putting my hair in a bun just to maintain it overnight. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to leave me a testimonial. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next video.